Today we're answering the question, why do US cars use 0W-20, but abroad they use 5W-30?
The USA uses 0W-20 for fuel economy and emissions standards, while other countries use 5W-30 due to different regulations.
In this video, we uncover the real reasons behind this surprising difference. From fuel economy regulation
to climate conditions and engine durability.
You learn why manufacturers recommend different oil viscosities for the same engine in different regions.
We'll explain what 0W-20 and 5W-30 really mean and why U.S. regulations push thinner oils.
How climate affects engine oil choice. Which oil is actually better for your engine? Car.
Choosing the wrong oil can damage your engine or reduce its lifespan. Watch till the end to make the right decision.
Did you know the SAME car engine uses different oil in different countries?
In the USA, it uses 0W-20, but in other countries, it uses 5W-30. Why? Is one better, or is something being hidden?
Today, we reveal the real truth behind engine oil recommendations and what YOU should use to protect your engine.
What do these numbers mean? Let's break it down simply. 0W-20, thinner oil. 5W-30, thicker oil.
Thinner oil flows faster, improves fuel economy. Thicker oil protects better under high heat and stress.
In the USA, strict fuel economy rules force car companies to use thinner oil.
Thinner oil equals less friction. Less friction equals better fuel efficiency. Better fuel efficiency equals meets government regulations.
Part 3. Why other countries use 5W-30? In hotter regions and developing countries, temperatures are higher.
Driving conditions are harsher. Maintenance is less frequent. So manufacturers recommend thicker oil like 5W-30 for better engine protection.
Part 4. Which one should YOU use? Here's the truth. Use 0W-20 if you want better fuel economy, you live in cold climate,
You follow strict maintenance. Use 5W-30 if you drive in hot weather, your car is older, you want longer engine life.
So next time you change your oil, don't just follow trends, follow what your engine really needs. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car secrets.